Drop it.
What's going on, guys? Holy hell. What a morning. What a morning. Apparently, OBS created 2 streams, so you guys were in a chat. I'm talking to you, but I wasn't getting a response. I'm like, what's going on? Stupid me. How is everybody doing? First time I noticed there's an ankle shot. Yes, to represent Mickey. Mickey's the man. Mickey is the fucking man. So how is everybody doing? Yeah, no, man, just let me borrow a shirt. He said, Uncle Gabe, I want you to wear this. So I said, okay. Yeah, there wasn't a stream. It was weird. You guys were essentially on a different stream. Good morning. Let's see. What's up, Gabe? Good morning. Caught in a chop, but good otherwise. Yes, it's chop, right? So it was just one of those things where sometimes you have to avoid the 10 in the morning. I mean, I absolutely capitalized on the early morning chop. I was just playing it smart. Up 4%. Hold on, let me see. Let's see where we're at. 4.56% on the day, and what goes up must come down, right? So, Blaze, what's going on? How is everybody doing now? Let's see. Eat the Rich, what's up, bro? Andres, what's good? Jack the Ripper. So, calls are puts on the Evil Mouse Empire. I would say puts. You know what eats mice? Lizards. Jesus. Let's see. Let's catch up. All right. So, Kelly France, good morning. I do have something I want to show you guys. Right. Good morning, Kofi. Let's see. Check it out. I want to show you guys something. Actually, let me put me in the shot here. Here we go. You guys ready? You see this here? Speed Racer 1, Speed Racer 3, and Speed Racer 5. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Where is my audio cue? It's happening! Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Yes, we have the lights there, right? So, coming to a platform near you. Well, actually, the only platform on Earth that has these absolutely just disgusting traffic lights that will help you make money, right? So, Ice Tim, what's up, brother? How's everything doing? Now, I want to go ahead and look at NVIDIA. NVIDIA certainly consolidating. Now, some would say, well, yeah, NVIDIA is marching on up. But you can see on the 5-minute, she's losing a little bit of steam. And then we hit the night period of the afternoon, right? So if you got in on NVIDIA and you made your bank, it might be time for you to secure that bag. Now, let's look at what's happening here on the 1-minute. You do have a traffic light to the downside on the 1-minute with the 48 supporting price action. But I want you guys to take a look at this moving average. It is in fact trending down. Now, when the moving average breaks the threshold of 50 with RSI remaining beneath the moving average, this is confirming the downtrend. This is what you want to see. Now, we have some weakness here on the MECD, right? And this is all in virtue because, well, we're going against the overall trend on the 5. So we got to pay attention to the 5, right? You don't ever want to play opposite of the overall trend. So what that means is if you are looking at the 5 and you see the 5 is in a call, when you are on the 1-minute, you should only be playing puts for scalps, right? But your general expectation is that she is trending up. Okay. So we're looking for a potential cross down on a 5, right? No one's front running this, but you can do this on any and every equity, right? This will actually foolproof your trade, your trading decisions. This will foolproof your trading decisions. Okay. Absolutely foolproof it. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? We can foolproof our decision making on the 1 minute by respecting the 5 minute overall trend, especially if it's in a 1348 cross. All right. Kelly, that light bulb just went off. He said yes. He said, welcome to the Matrix. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the SPY. And the SPY tells us more of the same thing. Anthony, what's up? Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the SPY here. So the SPY is in fact in an overall trend. Now, you see this in the 5 minute, it is trending up. You have a traffic light and a call. You would be foolish to trade against the trend on the 1 minute unless you're attempting to scalp it. However, all the money will be made on traffic lights to the upside simply because the 5 minute trend is in your favor. Okay. So if you have a traffic light and you have a call on the 5 minute, what are you doing playing puts on the 1? I hope this helps a lot. This will take your game to the next level. This is essentially how I play it. The captain plays it. This is how STV would play it. You never want to trade against a trend. You don't want to be a dumb ape, okay? So let's get right back to it. We see the SPY. The SPY on the 1 minute's losing some steam. We go to the 5 minute and you can see why. She's struggling here at the 200. Okay. She's struggling here at the 200. Now, what would give us a clue on the 5 minute that this run is almost over? RSI. When we get the RSI breaking below its moving average and then we begin to see the moving average trend down, we know that this level here, the 200, is certainly getting respected, especially on the 5 minute. Okay. You see the moving average rounding off here on the SPY in the 5 minute. That Logan, yes, Logan zoomed in. He was like, yeah, I see some curvature. I see some curvature. You know, it's kind of like when we take our cameras out and we zoom in and we're like, yeah, that looks big. That looks big. Okay. So here we go on the 1 minute. Whenever you see something like this, you have to expect that the price action is losing steam, okay? And you can see this curvature is even more pronounced on the 1, right? We also see a potential cross here on the MACD, right? Now, does that mean you go ahead and be foolish and YOLO into a put on the 1 minute? No, because you still don't have anything actionable. You have the traffic light here. You have not yet printed a traffic light on the 1. Okay. So as it stands, you are particularly profitable. Okay. You are profitable as it stands. How many of you guys are up right now on this SPY play? Who's up on this SPY play? Thoughts on UNG? Let's go ahead and check it out. Let's see. Lucas is out 19%. None of you got out. I missed my entry. Okay, let's look at UNG, United States Natural Gas Fund. And on the 1 minute, she's trending down. Now, check this out. Check this out, ladies and gentlemen. What do we have here on the 5 minute? what do we have here in a 5 minute? We had massive consolidation to a traffic light led into a put. Therefore, this traffic light here is absolutely valid. And you see the consolidation here, essentially leading into a put, and she found her way down to the basement. Now, we are cooked here. So what do we expect here on the 1 minute when it is overcooked? What do we expect? We expect a reversal, don't we? Now, let's go ahead and look at NVIDIA. How many of you were in NVIDIA today?
Nvidia.
Right. Now, let's look at NVIDIA here. Let's go to the 5 minute. Okay. So the 5 minute hasn't presented us anything actionable as of yet. Okay. Nothing truly actionable. She's being supported by her 200. However, on the 5 minute, if you see RSI break threshold below 50 with the MACD coming on down, and then a traffic light that leads into a cross, that's when you could come on over to the 1 minute. So you can play this 1 minute here as a scalp, this traffic light, right? But you gotta adhere to the rules here. Above the 200 EMA, relative to the time frame that you're playing on, right? Above the 200 EMA, you're biased to calls. Okay? So, this put, as it stands, may be somewhat invalid unless we see the 5 minute continue the trend down. All right. Now, let's go ahead and look at Roblox. Looking at Roblox here, we have a potential cross up on the 5 minute. It has been trending up. You had a put. You had a level here on the 5 minute, which you respected. It bounced. Now you have a potential call here. But let's look at this on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, it shows us just literally, it's just been in a very, very tight channel here. Not really interested in this. Okay. So let's go ahead and look at SPY. Is SPY going to thrust on up? Well, on the 1 minute, we have another traffic light here to the moon, basically, right? Another traffic light. You do have a level established here. In the 5 minute, you could see that 200, she really wants to break that 200. Right now, nothing truly actionable. Okay? Now, let's look at Tesla. Tesla, traffic light to the downside on the 5 minute. It's crazy, right? We get an Invictus, but we also get a traffic light. This is if you need any more confirmation to this, I don't know what to tell you. However, if we do get a put here, that means on the 1 minute, we're definitely going to be biased to this. And look what happened here. Price action below the 200, you are in fact biased to puts, right? You just have the opportunity with the 1 minute to enter here and take it on down, okay? So that's with Tesla. Let's see. SPY 1 minute lights are flickering. That might be a late comment. But yeah, that light, that candle closed on the 1 minute, coming on down. Excuse me, going on up. You do have a level here. Okay. So, let's see. The market is somewhat trending today. Really interesting stuff here. Definitely trending. Stresla. Well, we just covered Tesla here, but Stresla on the 5 minute traffic light down, right? You do have a potential MACD cross to the downside. Top 40. Top 40, where you at? Where's 12? Where's 12? Emotional damage, where I have that button. I have that button.
Emotional damage.
Apple's garbage today? I noticed that this morning. It really was garbage. Okay. So let's go on over. Let's see what else do we have. AMC. Let's look at AMC. Oh boy. And oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Wow. You know, for all the people who are in AMC, for all those people, oh man, you just proved to your parents that two wrongs don't make a right. And I feel bad for you. They're very disappointed. Now, getting back to the charts here. Let's see. I'm going to be late to work. Can't leave the charts. Oh, man. These charts are just absolutely amazing. I love them. I love them. AMC just dying. Okay. Alphabet. Let's check out Google. Here we go. Google with a call on the 5-minute. A lot of consolidation here, right? Just broke the 200. You could see that the RSI is flat on the 5-minute, right? So it's a slow mover. We look at the 1-minute, and you can see, like, yes, this traffic light paid. It's in alignment with what's happening on the 5-minute. You got the call. Take it on the 1. Yes, really simple stuff. Now, hey, Gabe, thanks for your teaching. I'm $18 away from $1,000 profit for the last month on a 5K port. My discipline is finally catching up to your curriculum for consistent returns. And $18 away from $1,000 profit on a port in a month. Ladies and gentlemen, can we do the math on that? That's a 20% gain on the month? Damn. Jack the Ripper. Yeah, unfortunately, you are holding the bag. Really, really sucks. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. But I do have a question. Anyone notice how Webull is just sort of kind of like funky today? Let's see. The AR guy, he's just done with it. Who would I contact to upgrade my plan? Diana. Diana's the one you would contact to upgrade the plan. Just go into the Discord and just at Diana. She's probably in the live stream right now. She could probably wave and let you know. Yeah, Webull is in fact tripping today. I'm like, what the hell? Interesting. Okay. Let's take a look at what the SPY's doing here. Actually, let's take a look at what AMD's doing. Hey, Jack. Man, AMD doesn't look so sexy for you. Previously, let's look at its highs. 88. Damn, homie. No, you're good, man. You probably got into AMD when it was down in the 6s. Let's see. Gabe, 2 for 2 today. 3% on the port. 3-minute traffic lights from AMD, Tesla down. It's too easy now. Oh, it certainly is. Let me show you guys. Right? Yes. We got traffic lights here. Let's check it out on the 3-minute. So on the 3-minute, we got a traffic light down from AMD, a traffic light down from Apple, a traffic light down from Lucid, a traffic light down from Tesla. Woo! Amazing stuff. Now, let's go ahead and look at the 5. We have AMD, traffic light up. This was at 1056. Now, Tesla's down and AMD's down. Now, it's... Do you guys realize that you can literally graduate your trade? So if you see a traffic light on the 1 and you happen to take it, okay, and then you see it on a 3, it just confirms, right? You're like, yes, this thing is really trending. And then you see it on a 5, you're like, holy hell, I'm making all kinds of money. Let's see. It's gonna get wild in here, guys. Make sure you check out trade1348.com. You get your 2 weeks free. Tomorrow is the last day for 2 weeks free. Tomorrow. Is it the Diana of ELSF? Yes, that's who it is. Your 2 weeks free. No more tomorrow. Showtime. First off, I don't need a super chat. $1.99, that's almost an insult. It's almost an insult. I can't even buy toilet paper for $1.99. So just don't do it. I don't need it. I don't want it, bro. Like, not necessary. But we can, in fact, look at Cat. Didn't need to do that, bro. But I appreciate it. Can't even get a cup of coffee for $1.99 unless it's Dunkin' Donuts coffee. And Dunkin' Donuts coffee is shit. Anyways. Let's check out Cat. Hell no, you can't buy eggs with that. Okay, so Cat on the daily, you went from a put, you went into a call. STV, you drinking Dunkin' Donuts? You're so fucking white, bro. I got to get you on that Colombian shit, bro. You will vibrate into the future. Yeah, anyways. Okay, so Cat on the daily, you do have a call, but you do have a level here at 250.23. We go ahead and look at the 5 minute. She is trending to the upside, but also hit this level. Right. Now we go to the 1 minute, and the 1 minute paid you. Guys, you see what just happened here? Well, here, let me see, right there. You guys see what happened there? Okay, we're on the 1, but look at here on the 5. The 5 gave you a traffic light at 9:55. You go to the 1 minute. If you're looking for a scalp, you can come all the way down. Maybe take this light here, right? You can take this light. You get a traffic light down. It bounces. You can jump in on this light and make bank all the way to this light. Let me just draw this out for you. That's $1.60 move. The contracts are probably shit on it though. Let's see. Try Death Wish coffee. You know what? I'll give that a try. Colombian? No snow. We don't do snow. I don't do snow. Speaking of coffee, grabbing some, and I have Colombian here. Yes, grinding your own is the best. I do grind my own. Let's see what we have here. Looking at the port. Yes. Things are happening. Great things are happening. Okay. We're just waiting for the market to go sleepy. Okay, guys, let's get some tickers out there. Let's see what we got. Let's look at Speed Racer. We got Lucid coming on down. NVIDIA trending down on the 1 minute. Let's check out NVIDIA here. Oh, we got a whole lot of traffic lights here on the 1 minute with NVIDIA. But look what's happening. It has been trending down since hitting this level. And let's look at what's happening on a 5 minute. On a 5 minute, she has gone absolutely stale, right? Now, this doesn't mean you front run anything, right? All it means is that a play could potentially be setting up. And that's what you want. You want to be patient and wait for the trades to set up, because to make money in this game, right? To really make money in this game, it's not about the $100 you win today. It's about those $100 compounding over the next month. Now you have something of substance. Does that make sense? Now, NVIDIA, we got a put signal on the 1 minute. That is absolutely actionable. You just have to pay attention to the charts here, right? At this point, if we look at NVIDIA on the 5 minute, it's coming on down. It looks like she wants to come down. There she goes. Oh, just discovered the new genie option. Way to go. Way to fucking go. That's what we love to see. People learning, making money. Okay. I like coffee. RD, yell at me, please. Okay, sure. Hold on. It's happening. What's up? RD, yell at me, please. I held my puts on Tesla from this morning because I missed a stop. It did not stop out on the upside based on feelings. So even if I profit, let's have this conversation. Scoop with Steve, right? Let's go ahead and look at SPY. Okay. I'm assuming this was on the 1 minute, right? And you had a whole lot of chop here. Let's see. You had puts. I'm assuming, where did you get a put signal? I mean, where? Here? Where? You got to give me a timestamp. Tesla, not SPY. My bad. All right. So this light. Okay. This light here. Is this the light that got you? Just assuming this is on the 1 minute. Is this the light that got you? Scuba. All right. All right, Scuba. You about to get a clinic, sir. Right? So, you do have a traffic light and you get it on the close, right? But see, here's the thing, especially on the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, you were still green on that histogram. So potentially you could have front run it. However, you waited for a close. You waited for a close on that traffic light. You had a level right here, which then printed again, So if you were to take this light, even while it was flickering, your expectation was to take profit at this level, right? You were way too close to the level. At this level, you see that bounce. You see the bounce off the RSI, right? You needed to either take your profits or stay out of that trade, okay? Next up, we also talk about waiting for a retracement on the 1 minute. Now, Rita does this. Rita goes ahead, takes this trade. The minute another traffic light pops up, she gets out and then takes this light. Really, really, really simple. If you get another light that's telling you, bro, you're wrong, you better listen to it, right? You better listen to it. Now, you do have occasions where you have an anomaly here. I think we saw a stock where you had traffic light after traffic light after traffic light after traffic light. But there, you would just have to look at the 5 minute to see what the overall trend is. Now, this is a great example. Let's look at the 5 with Tesla, okay? This is a great example. Here at 940, you were already in a trend here. Let's go to the 1 minute here. I'm assuming, let's see, this was also 940, right? So you would need to look at the 5 minute and see what the 5 minute's telling you. The 5 minute here is telling you you're in a call. The 5 minute, the MACD is in an uptrend, right? RSI is above its moving average. So by virtue of you playing that put, that was not the smart move because you were going against the overall trend. And then the traffic light corrected you and said, no, bro, let's go. Does that make sense for the ladies in the back? Does that make sense? There's no reason why we should get emotional in these trades when we have timelines, indicators, support, resistance, RSI, MACD. We have all of these things that are guiding us. I tell you what happens. Let me tell you what happens, all right? I get it. You jump in a trade, you see opportunity, you simp after it, right? You don't do your due diligence and or go through your progressions fast enough. Let me tell you, when I'm in a trade, it's very, very fast for me, right? I have to see with my eyes, read progressions. I tell you what, your homework assignment for every single one of you who's in this stream, your homework assignment tonight is to sit in front of the chart for 30 minutes to an hour. And I want you to go from 1 to 5, 1 to 5, 1 to 5, and go through your progressions. I need you to do that. I need you to do that. Otherwise, you're going to sit here like, boo-hoo, the system doesn't work. RD's worse than Matt Kors. Oh, I see that Matt Kors is doing a $10,000 challenge. Why didn't he tag me in it? I'd do it along with him. Like, hey, bro, let's go. Whatever. Let's see. TQQQ. On the way down on the 5-minute. Okay, let's look at this. You got a 5-minute traffic alert. Let's see something. Let's do it. Hold on. Speed Racer 5. Speed Racer 5. We don't get a TQQQ alert here. What is going on? But everything's coming down. I love it. I think TQQQ isn't on the list. I'll go. Let's add it. All right. Let's see. You can start with $100 and still beat him. Maybe I'll handicap myself. I don't mind. I don't mind handicapping myself. Let's see. I got these gains, baby. Okay. Let the market die. Joey T, I'm glad you like it. Yeah. Why did Mickey leave Minnie? Because she was fucking goofy. Oh, did you guys hear about this? Mind blown. And I just learned this. Goofy is not a dog. Goofy is a cow. I just learned this. 41 years of my existence, I'm a fucking fraud for thinking that Goofy was a dog. No, Goofy is a cow. Yes. Pluto is the dog. Goofy is the cow. My whole childhood has been ruined. Ivan, fuck you. He said, does he like Aston Martins? Oh my God, I killed Goofy. Oh shit. It makes so much sense now. Oh my God. It makes so much sense. It could be Daisy or Minnie Grape Ape. Goofy is not a dog. Goofy's a cow. Oh man. Requesting an Aladdin for the traffic light time periods. What do you think? Cow is female, right? Well, yeah, so Goofy's a bull. Google it. He's a bull. Goofy is not a dog. Oh, no, no, no. Let's see. No, Goofy is a cow. Wikipedia says Goofy's an anamorphic dog. What? No, I swear I saw this. Anyways, ask ChatGPT, please. Somebody go ahead and do it. I swear I saw this. My whole childhood just ruined. The facts are he's a dog. Really? Ask Jeeves. Oh, Lord. He's a cow. Let's see. Goofy's a lizard. Let's see. Life was original name was Dippy Dog in the 30s. Thought he was a dog. Old vid show him walking like a cow. Oh. That is a great fucking idea, Bork. It just happened here in the live stream. Hot Potato, Algo, could we get the trade 1348 Genie to have separate rows for traffic lights? So if we have a yellow traffic light on the 1, it'll show. If we have a yellow traffic light on the 3 and the 5, it shows. Can we have that? That would be cool. I would like that a lot. I would like my man. That's right. Oh, yes. We'll get it to you later today. My man, Hot Potato. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Oh boy. It happened here. It's an awesome idea. Yes. Yes and yes and yes. Yes and yes and yes and yes. Oh my God. Ooh. I'm getting all the tingles right now. History in the making. Absolutely. Let's go ahead. Let's look at NVIDIA. Let's see.
NVIDIA.
You see how NVIDIA is like just consolidating here, guys? Just consolidating here on the 5-minute. Nothing actionable. But see, this is what's happening while she's just going sideways. You see how RSI moving average is gradually trending down with a potential cross, which means once we get a candle break below this 226.66, it might be a bloodbath. Let's go ahead and check Roblox. And you got the call here on the 5-minute with Roblox. Not doing too bad here. Look at the 1 minute. The 1 minute. Wow. Wow. Okay. Strategy time. You guys ready for this? You guys ready for this? You know, we just use a little bit of common sense here, right? So check this out. You go ahead and you get a traffic light on the 5-minute, right? Get a traffic light on the 5-minute. You also got a traffic light on the 1 minute, right? If the 5-minute is the overall trend that validates the 1 minute, you go ahead and play 5 candles on the 1 minute, and you should easily be up 5 to 7%. As long as you're trending up, right? Really, really simple stuff. Okay. Really, really simple stuff. Now, the 1 minute's going to front run the 5 minute. So if you get the 1 minute and then the 5 minute happens, you're good for at least another 5 candles, which keeps you from getting like stopped out or waked out. I'll go ahead and better illustrate that strategy in the masterclass this Sunday. So if you guys want to check out that masterclass this Sunday, make sure you sign up for the 3-year lifetime. It's $13.48. That price will be going up soon. We're just bringing way too much value at this point, and that's just the way this works. Gabe, when do you start doing the morning streams for lifetime members? And that actually starts happening, I want to say the middle of March. That's when I will start doing it. I just have to go ahead and like alter my schedule, essentially my workflow, and we should be all right. Let's go ahead and look at the SPY. Is the SPY making a move? SPY on the 5-minute, traffic light down. Mr. Rizzlemeister says, Gabe, you mentioned getting in at a candle close to enter, but sometimes the candle close is not closest to the level. There's always a level that you can use when, for instance, I'll give you an example. You got a traffic light here, right? And this applies to all things, all levels, all time frames. You get a traffic light here. The next candle is too far away from here, right? But now you are using the 48 as a level. You're using the 48 as your risk because the candle is now above the 48. Yeah, Weeble's acting wonky. I don't get it. SPY on the 1 minute coming on down to its 200. This could get spicy, ladies and gentlemen. This could get really spicy. My line set at for what? Super Dad Dusty. No, I'm never doing Moo Moo. I'm staying with Weeble. Moo Moo sounds like the transgender version of, yeah, so like Weeble. I like bull. I like the bull part. Moo Moo is like, I don't know. Not a big fan of that. Let's see. When I got the chart, the numbers went away on the EMAs. Not sure how that happens. It sounds like the cow you hit. STV, be nice. Chris says I like the bull part. All right, guys, look at market going sleepy. I got to be back on the stream in 45 minutes with STV. So we will catch you then. For the meantime, make sure you guys check out trade1348.com. Get your free trial, 14 days, right? 14-day free trial. Then join us if you decide to upgrade. Reach out to Diana. If you get the 3-year plan, you could join us on Sunday for the masterclass. The platform is more advanced than Weeble. Oh, it sure is. Anyways, guys,